Okay, so today I'm going to be making my fidget spinner faster. What you need is this engine stuff. You don't need that, but I use it because I ain't got no nails. And a cup, and you put that stuff in the cup, or you can just spray it on there. I choose a cup. Take this, go like this, pop that cap off. And if I spill this, it's okay. I'm using one hand. Dump this on this, like that. Let it sit for a few minutes. Maybe spin it. Get it in there. I would recommend probably not to get it all over because it'll be really greasy, but it wipes off real easy, so it'll be okay. Okay, so I'm going to dry it off. Put it over here to this corner. Flip this over. Just dry it off. Oh, and if you guys are wondering what's on my hand, it's paint because I tried to paint my fidget. It didn't work out too well. Well, hydro dip it. Didn't work out too well. It did, but got all over me, and then I didn't like it, so I put it in this stuff, and this stuff will also take paint and stuff off your fidget. Don't know about your hands, didn't try it yet. Probably when I'm done. Okay, dry it off, make sure it's all dry, put the cap back on, and then you got oops, sorry, didn't mean to drop you. A lot faster than what it was. And if I spin it as fast,